If you want to get the same results and make the same profit as professional traders without doing any of the work, be sure to watch the full video. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can start copy trading professional traders to get great passive income. Also show you how to select the best copy trader to copy and how much money you can make with copy trading. But before I do that, be sure to click the link on the top description to sign up and start trading on Bybit with zero trading fees and up to $4,000 in reward on trades and deposits. So let's start this video off with how to start a copy trade on Bybit. So it's really easy, guys. From the home screen, you go to derivatives, you click on copy trading. And for now, I'm just going to show you really quick how to start a copy trade. And after that, how to select the trader to copy. So you just click on this guy, for example. And then at the top right, you're just going to click on the copy here. Just so you click on the copy. So now we enter the copy trading window. So the first thing you have to enter is how much margin you want to do each copy trade. So this is the amount of money that the copy trader is going to use every time he makes a trade. I would recommend to have at least the money for 20 to 30 trades. I'm going to tell you guys later in this video why, but for now that's my tip. So the second thing is, how do you actually get money on your copy trading account? So it's not as easy as you think, and I'm going to explain it really quick. So the first thing you got to do, guys, is you're gonna go to derivatives. So you go to the home screen, then you click on derivatives, USDT perpetual, and then you just click on one of these. So let's say BTC USDT. Then you get on this screen, and then at the bottom you're gonna click on transfer, and then it's gonna load, guys. It takes a while, and then you can just transfer from spot to derivatives. So let's say you have $30, you need some more maybe, but we're just gonna show it for the video. Then you confirm it, and then it's on your derivatives. And now it has to get to your copy trading. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back, guys, to derivatives, copy trading. At the top right, my copy trading, you're gonna click on that. And then you're gonna enter this window and just click transfer. And now you can just transfer from your derivatives account to your copy trading. So we're gonna do all, and then confirm, and now we'll have the money on the copy trading. So let's continue our copy trading. So let's say we have $300, 20 to 30 trades is $15 to $10 trade. Let's just take 10 because we're a beginner. Then I wouldn't recommend a stop loss. So I'm just gonna see 0 because the copy trader usually knows how to do it. The second most important thing is to choose a contract. So you can get involved in every single contract. What I would recommend is always check the trader, but we're gonna do that in the next chapter of this video. But I would recommend to just click everything except from like BTC and Ethereum, because these are the less riskier coins in my opinion. So you're just gonna confirm. And then the second most important thing, of course, is the leverage. So how much leverage are we gonna pick? So you got fixed leverage. This means, for example, I want him to pick 5x on every coin. Or you can get custom leverage. Then you can say, I want for BTC 5x, Ethereum 3x, XRP 2x. And leverage basically means if I pick 5x leverage and the coin goes 20% in the other direction, let's say the trader says Bitcoin is gonna go up, but it goes down 20%, then I lose all of my money. These things, guys, it's really important to look what the trader does, but we're gonna do, as I said, in the next chapter. So let's say we picked fixed leverage, 5x, we picked our coins, $10, then you just configure your settings and you're done. So now that we know how to open or start a copy trade, it's time to show you how you can pick the best master copy trader. So I wouldn't recommend these guys because they just do 1 or 2 trades and have amazing returns, but they're not consistent. So I would go for traders with the highest profit for followers, because you know they're making their followers profit. So then I would just click view more, and then you got the option traders with the highest profit, and then make sure they have a 100% win rate. and then just select your trader. And I'm gonna tell you the key points which you gotta watch. I'm gonna just select mine right now, and I'm gonna show you why you have to look out. So the first thing you want to see is the trading day. So let them have at least like 10 trading days, so they've proven themselves. The second thing is of course the return of investment. Always check the 30 days. So this is looking really good. I would say anything between on the 30s between 5 and 10% or more is good, and on the 7 days between like 1 and 3%. It's not on one trade, it's on all the trades together. That makes it good. Then the second thing you want to know is max drag down. So you don't want traders who do a lot of risky trades. So I would recommend traders with less than 10% drag down. That means if you even 10x leverage, your trade would be profit. Because if they have like 30% drag down and you do like 5x leverage, you will lose money. Of course, a nice thing to always see is that they made good profit for their followers. Then the next thing is one really important thing, that they have a lot of winning trades and no losing trades. So I would recommend to start following a guy when he has like 100, 150 winning trades. Like this guy has 294 winning. Total 293 winning and 1 open trade, because he hasn't lost anything. Another really important thing is average holding time. This means how long did he hold an open trade. The lower this amount, the better. Otherwise, they're gonna just stack a lot of trades and you will need a lot of money. So this guy holds on average 8 hours a trade open, which is definitely amazing. Then after that, what's really important is how many trades do they do a week. So this guy does 94.5 trades a week, which is amazing, guys. You don't want someone who only gets great percentages but does like 10 trades, 5 trades a week. Then you cannot really make money. You can, but the risk is a lot, because this guy does 90 trades a week, so it's better to have low money in 94 different trades and like big money in 3-4 trades, of course. Then the other thing that you want to see is really important as well, is the statistics of the copy trade. So you don't want a guy current trades to have like 30 trades open here. That means he usually holds trades really long, and you will need a lot of money to entry it, because if this guy has like 50 trades open, you will probably need the money for 100 trades, because if you skip 20 trades in a row that you don't have money, they will kick you out. So the next thing you want to see is you want to go to his past trades and make sure that he makes profit around 1 to 3, 4% every trade. So this one he closed really quick because maybe he was wrong, but as you can see, he makes over 1% a trade, good 1% a trade as well. So that's really important, guys. So as you can see, always around us 150. I think the other day he had a really good day when we made like 4% a trade. So this is really important. You want them to make a lot of trades a week, average holding time to be really low, total winning trades like 100%, and that he makes a nice return of investments. And here we are at the part where I told you about leverage. It's really important that you just focus the leverage that he's holding. So he's holding 3x for BTC. And then I would recommend you can actually do more, because his drag down is 6.4%, which means he actually never lost a trade up to 14x. But it's always safe in the beginning to pick the leverage of the master trader, because he's safe with this leverage. He knows if I put 3x leverage, I won't lose a trade. So that's really important, guys. So the next thing, now you know every information, is how much money can you make with leverage trading. I'm going to show you this guy, and I'm going to show you one of the best. So I'm currently following this guy. I've been following him for a week. As you know, he made like 100 trades in a week. I was following for $15 a trade. I made up to $40 with only $300 investment, guys. So if you want to make like $400 a week, you would have to open trades at $150 a trade and a total portfolio of $3,000, which is nothing. So look at these guys, just following for a couple days, he's just making cumulative costs. So this means if he has 45,000 and you have 100 trades in a week, he goes in $450 a trade. So you don't need this money. You just need the trade money times 20 times 30. So I would start with like a small amount. Test out your trader. How fast does he close trades? How much money or trades do you need at the same time? So as you can see, these guys are just following for a couple of days, and this guy didn't even put much money in. He gets better results because it is higher leverage, because he trusts the trader. But now I'm gonna show you some crazy people who make so much money, guys. So this is one of the best traders there is. He's always full, but look at these guys. They risk it for the biscuit. This guy has put in 500,000 in total trade money and he made 62,000. This guy made 50,000, 45,000. These guys are just following for 2 months, 1 month at a time, 23 days, and they're making great money because they follow a guy. As you can see, 1,027 trades without any loss, guys. This guy is amazing. So his average holding time is a little bit longer, but this guy definitely knows every trade, and he puts 172 trades a week. So this guy knows how to trade, makes amazing profits, and that's why you want to find. You want to use all the tips I gave you and find this professional trader. So start out low, test how good your trader is, and then go in big if you want to go, of course. So the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is how can you actually adjust your copy trading settings. So you just go to copy trading derivatives, then you click on my copy trading, then you're gonna click on master trader, guys. So you're gonna click on the name of it, then it will bring you to the screen which I showed you, and then you can just do copy trading settings. As I said to you guys before, you want to have up to 20-30 trades, but if you make more money and you really trust your trader, you can start changing the settings. So you can come here and up the $20 to 25 or 22, whatever you want. Because you're making more money, you can put more in the trades. And another thing is, how do you actually cancel your copy trader? So if we go back, how can you cancel your copy trader? If you think you find a better trader, so you go back to derivatives copy trading, click on copy trading again, then go to your master trader, and you can just set cancel. So here's an edit option as well, but cancel. And then it's really important, if you have open trades, to continue copying the trader until the positions are closed, because maybe he's currently opening 30 trades and some of them are minus 50%. If you do exit immediately, you will lose on all these trades, because some trades can stick for like 10, 20, 30 days, guys. It can happen even with the best traders. So if you want to cancel copy, I would click continue copying the trader until positions are closed. So you will still have the position open of this copy trader, but you can finally, if you want, just follow another copy trader. So yeah, guys, these were all my tips and tricks and how to do about copy trading. If you enjoyed, be sure to hit the like. Comment down your question if you have any, I will answer them all. Be sure to sign up and start depositing and trading with my link if you enjoy copy trading or want to discover it. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing content, and YouTube. Until next time.